Welcome back. Once again, my name is CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com and a Small Biz Academy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a coming soon page for your WordPress website as you build it out in the back end. Before I get started, I do want to say as a disclaimer, if you will, if you're planning on going through the steps and having your website up and running in the next day or two, please skip this step and save yourself the time, because if you're moving that fast, just don't share the link to your website and make sure that you just share the actual link once you get it finished. But if you do want to have a website up and you do want a coming soon page, well, that's what we're here for. That's what we're going through right now. So basically put, once you get the plugin installed, which is coming soon page in maintenance mode by SeedProd, you're going to simply go over to settings and click on the tab that says coming soon page in maintenance mode. And from here, you're going to see if you've used this as a setup from the WP Clone install from the Small Biz Academy tutorials. You're going to see there's already some content and it's already enabled and things of that nature. I did this to try to save you guys time. If you don't care what it looks like and you just want something up just to let them know that you will be having a website there, by all means, leave it as it is. If you log out, you cannot go to your website and see the coming soon page because it is enabled, which means you will not see this. You'll see the actual website. So if you want to see what it actually looks like, you can click on live preview, which I've already done, and this is what it looks like. If it's too plain for you, you want to add a background image or something like that, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to right now. So when you get in here, you're simply going to click on design and then media image library. Now I'm going to tell you one thing real quick just so you guys can understand, and you select the image and click open. I highly recommend, if you're doing this for a business or a business journey, blog, something that you plan on monetizing from, and just want to be safe, not necessarily even monetizing it, but just to be safe, I highly recommend that you do not go to Google, search for a specific keyword, and download the first image you find. The reason I say that is you will find that sometimes those are copyrighted and you can possibly face some legal issues for copyright infringement and taking someone else's stuff. So please use stock photos. If you don't have the money to get stock photos, you can use a free website called pexels.com, Pexels.com, and they have 50 new high quality stock photos every single day. They're all free. You can search through just scrolling. You can do a search, if you want to do, well, let's go business since it's a popular search, and right here you can see it's a whole bunch of different pictures and some good high quality stuff. So if you need stock photos, you don't have the money, Pexels.com is the way to go. Now moving forward, I already selected the image. We have it uploaded. I would recommend, if you're planning on the coming soon page to be live for more than 2 to 3 weeks, highly recommend making sure this title, the alt text, and the description all have content in there describing what the background image is and trying to find a way to tie it to your business without stuffing keywords. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry, we'll have an SEO training. I've been talking to a good friend of mine that's a very good SEO expert, and we're trying to get him on the training to sit down and do like a 1-hour training for you guys. So it's going to be awesome. But anyways, so once you actually have that in, you want to make sure you have the size at full size and then click insert into post. And full size needs to be about 1920. Make sure that it's at least a high res image. You don't want to use a 500 pixel wide image for that. So make sure, and if you get stuff from Pexels, they are extreme high resolution. It's not, Sports Illustrated cover, type photographs or, Time Magazine or anything like that. But it is high resolution enough for a front page of a website if you want to use this for your coming soon page for the time being. So once you actually have that selected and you see the URLs in, you want to make sure your background is responsive. That is very important. I would recommend, if you're going to have a lot of text, to dim the background. It's going to make it easier for people to actually read the text. And then click Save All Changes. And you'll see by just doing that, if we refresh the page, you'll see it's a totally different look. Changes everything, right? And this is just an image I got from a background desktop site because, as you see, that's my background. So, and I'm not using this website. The website will probably be removed and taken down once I finish this. I'm not sure about that yet. But regardless, this image won't be there because we're building the website and taking the Coming Page Soon site down. That being said, thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. If you have any more questions or if you would like to see me do a tutorial, please feel free to reach out and ask. I'm at CJ Halleck on social media. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm all over the place. Or you can email me, cj@cjhalleck.com or cjhalleck@gmail.com. That being said, you guys have a great day. I hope you're having an amazing week. Be great. Stay boosted. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.